Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to transfer Gmail contact to iCloud. First, open the Safari browser on your iPhone. Now search for Google Contacts in the search bar. Tap on the first link to open the official Google Contacts page. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now tap on Add Another Account. Enter your Gmail address, then tap on Next. Now enter your password and tap on Continue. You can also enter your phone number if asked for extra security. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of your Gmail contacts. Now, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Here, you'll see options like display density and change column order. Next, select the contacts you want to move. You can also tap Select All to choose all of them. Then tap on the three dots again and choose Export. Now, select the vCard format for Android or iOS. Tap on Export to download the file. You may see an option to update contacts. Do it if needed, then tap Done. Now go back and open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then tap on Contacts. Next, tap on Contacts Accounts. Then tap on Gmail. Now turn off the toggle for contacts and tap the Delete from My iPhone to remove Gmail contacts. Finally, go back and open the Contacts app on your iPhone to check. Your Gmail contacts should now be saved to iCloud. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.